Lisa, by the way, again.
Lisa's like, wait, excuse me, who's starting the vlog without me? We're going to Fort Lauderdale, right?
Yes, I'm so excited. We're probably gonna go to the beach.
We're going to go to the beach because we don't want to.
Yes, I can't go back. We're gonna go to Japan, which I'm excited about.
I just see babies everywhere.
Oh yeah, we need to take cute pictures, get a tan.
I'm in the car. That's why I'm not like.
Also gonna go to the beach.
My friend.
Oh yeah. But I don't want to get burned because I already kind of got burned. But
I
yesterday.
cannot wait to show you guys my outfit on pictures. Though.
Yes.
Pictures.
No, but right here.
No, not right here.
I got an outfit too. It's alright.
It's very simple.
Yeah, he's probably like my
We're in a little van with our family, and then we'll get there in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. So we got a long way to go still.
I lost track of time. I didn't even know when we even started when we got out.
We had to wake up so early.
But no, fucking reason.
That's fine.
Anyway, it's fine.
I got hyped. It's fine.
Yeah, we're on vacation. No, that's the same.
We're stuck in the back. And it's hot. Very hot. My skin is very glowy.
I'm very glowy.
It feels like I'm
dying. It feels like I'm dying.
when in Florida.
Okay, so my hair is messed up because I hit myself.
Lisa, are you comfortable?
I guess. Yes. You know, I feel too tall.
That's something you would never hear.
Exactly. You would never hear that from me because I'm too short.
Alright, so now you know that you don't want to be tall.
I don't want to be tall.
Just trying to like, whatever. Because if I think about that it's hot, I'm gonna go crazy. A quick little
story of how Linda forgot her wallet overnight at the movie theater.
So I have a little, you know, those little cute book bags. So I have that. I have another wallet that is way bigger than this one. So you know I carry that with that. So I was at the movie theaters one day. I think I went to the bathroom and I just left my bag there. I leave, you know, no mind.
bathroom?
Yeah, I pay no mind to it, nothing. So I even got home, I was good, I passed the night, it was the next morning, and then I had to go buy some liquor, because you know, they asked me to buy, my parents asked me to go buy liquor. I was like, okay, time to go.
But where's my wallet?
I'm looking for my wallet everywhere. My little bag, you have cash in there? I had cash, I had my social security, I had my credit cards, debit cards, everything in there. Cash, everything. So then I was like, oh my gosh, where's my wallet? Where's my wallet? I looked everywhere in my car. I didn't even remember where it was. And then people were like, just retrace your step. Where were you last night? I was like, oh, I went to the movie theaters. I called the movie theaters and I asked, you guys seen a missing bag, wallet, whatever? And then they were like, yes. We were actually trying to contact you through Facebook and stuff. I was like, ooh. I went, everything was there.
Nice.
The girl was like, let me just try to get this girl
Even
her
the
wallet
cash?
back. Everything was there. She was
That's
like,
nice.
you have your whole life here. I was like, yeah. That was my story. And then the other day when I went to the movie theaters, I forgot my bag in the same place. In the
They're gonna know who you are.
I remember.
I know.
I went back and I got it. And there was a girl right there. She had it. She was like, "Is this yours?" It was like, "Yeah." And then she was like, "I was gonna give it to the register." Like cash people. I was like, "Thank you."
So we're walking.
We were supposed
because
to-
apparently one of our uncles, they live on the street too.
I didn't even know he lived through here. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, me either.
But we
Like,
wanted
I
to go to
heard,
the
but I
beach
don't know who
today.
it was.
We even packed some, what's it called?
Bathing suits.
Bed. So the way that worked out, that did not work out. Tomorrow we're going to the beach and stuff.
I'm walking like this because I have no bra. And the wind is kind of chilly on my nips.
They're a little bit hot. But who's complaining? Not me.
No, but look at Ileana.
There's kids in the back of us. And she got that Florida tan. You know, William really thought that I thought Florida was called Florida.
Oh, hell no. I say it like that too sometimes.
Oh, I'm zooming in more. Fuck. Fix it.
Alright. Oh god.
It's already recording.
Oh.
But it's did. Zoom it out. Oh, that's a menu, right?
So Erica, what do you call a skinny dog that cries?
What do you call a skinny dog that cries?
A chihuahua.
Do you like this dog? Because I don't. Oh wait, Lisa, that's your dog. That's the dog that you like. I'm talking about Lisa.
Oh, I thought she was behind me. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Why?
So guys, I'm taking over this camera. Oh, it's Erica.
Oh, hi William.
Erica, what do you call a skinny dog that cries?
What do you call a skinny dog that cries?
A chihuahua.
It's not funny the third time. I don't know what's funny. How many fireballs did you have?
11.
El diablo. That's what you call an alcoholic.
You see how he's judging Linda, and then when he answers the question, mad happy.
Mad. What's going on with you?
Booty, booty, booty.
What's going on with you?
I'm excited. I'm happy.
So what are we doing tomorrow, Linda?
Tomorrow we're going to the beach, get that Florida tan, and then we're going to the club.
You know who you remind me of? The Brats.
You know what? You guys, I'm single as fuck. So tomorrow
That makes two of us.
club. Today we're going to the club.
I'm a really good wingman.
I need to be.
I would go for some wings right now.
What?
And cut. And cut.
Wait,
I don't know how to stop.
What did you
I ain't got no scissors. Where is Erica?
Because I thought you were recording. Now we're figuring how we put the Bluetooth on to see if it actually does Bluetooth. Because you know, I want good ass music. He took a leverage as a fire
Up here, not this
I'm
one.
Hey, you're not over it.
False statement.
You look like you're like high as fuck. Like
Yeah? Stop playing with me, bro.
he goes, don't tell me that. That's
Oh
the
my
best.
God.
Gotta go all the way over there.
If now you know I got Spotify, we could do Spotify right here in the back. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Lisa, did you drink?
A little bit. I drink a mojito.
Lisa is the only sober one.
Do you know how to stop recording?
Huh? No, that's why I'm still recording.
So we're going to the beach. Linda, please come in the frame. This is we're with Daniela.
That's the crew.
All the losers are over
the
there.
other crew. The loser crew.
We don't fuck with that. Last night we got too lit. Linda got too lit. We fell asleep at 4 in the morning. We had to wake up. Well, we woke up at 11. Daniela woke up at 7, and I have not slept yet. And then now we're on our way to the beach. We went to Walmart. We picked up some snacks. A snack. We picked up a snack. I can't remember the song.
That's literally the goal.
My nose is so red. What the heck? What's it?